I'm back with another video. Hey yo, go comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Join the gang, baby. You know what it is. It's prep gang, you know, intro.
Bright as hell.
Yeah, we out here, man. Get the power. We out here, man. Summer about to be lit. Oh.
I'm screaming strive to the top, and I'm on this road to success, but I keep on tripping over rocks in my position in the kitchen. Cook up chicken in my pot. Let them try to take my chicken, I leave them sizzling when it pop. Yes, Lord. Going global, start getting used to the logo saying AB. Me, Wilkin, Bell, Kano, and Solo. Small circle doing big things like popping bottles, getting dollars. Some niggas get scratched off like loose change. TAZZ, can't fuck with me.
Let's go. Should look fire. Oof.
Yo, what you guys say? What you guys say?
You wanna see my vlogging camera?
What you guys say? Yo, hold up. Just talk to yourself.
Yo, what's up? Mikey P and his bitch.
You peeing his bitch. You already know. Let's get it. The pow. Wilkin style. You already know.
Be here next week on the ground.
Ya tu sabe. I'm just gonna steal Wilkin's camera and walk around with it all the time.
7X.
When I go to the bathroom, I take shit. Yo, Ryan, you have to refer to me as Juicy Jeff now because that's my vlog handle.
Juicy Jeff.
We're vloggers now.
Vloggers.
We're vlogging. Yo, I got the camera with the cool tripod thingy. I'm a vlogger. Fuck you mean?
Look at this angle. Eyes up here.
Yo, y'all are in my light. Look at that. Oh, that's hot. Yo, I'm Juicy Jeff when I got the camera out.
I saw the caddy. It's like, where's Jeff?
Yo, we just vlogged the dap up, B.
No, word. Just got it.
I'm a vlogger now. That's my new MO.
Fucking pneumonia out here. Oh shit, jeez. Did you go too far? Did you go too far?
Ya tu sabe in the building.
Oh, Nick, oh my God. Yo, my boy Nick right here. You already know we out here.
Faggots.
It's game time, bro.
Oh, let me get Nick's car for the vlog, dog. Oh, let me get the angle. Hold on, let me get the angle. Nope, not feeling that one. Oh, should I get on the side light?
JD up in the front. Car speed, yeah. Damn, makes sense.
Oh, I heard pops.
Hey, I don't know who that was, probably on it.
This Mustang got 500 horses. We out here.
It's more like 490, but it's whatever.
It's alright. It's fine.
Nobody got time with it. Super Game really stepped it up.
I didn't know your tires were so wide.
Huh?
I didn't know your rear tires were so fucking wide.
Yeah, they're the same size all the way around.
What?
They're the same size all the way around.
Really?
Yeah.
Ready?
I love V-dubs too, bro.
Just when they backfire like that.
I know that should be lit. Yo, that should be hyping me up, son. I'm making all types of noises.
He wants to race me.
Oh, for real? Yeah. I think you got him. Maybe.
I definitely got him. I could definitely get
gonna be watching this. Yeah, that's my boy. Oh, he just spit fire. Should be putting my seatbelt on.
Probably. Mustang, you never know.
You never know, you heard that, guys?
Stay buck the fuck out.
Oh my gosh. That shit is just popping. Dustin, we just left. Oh. 125 right now. 125, 130, 135. 140, slow down, bro. V8 BMW, old. And these two don't. Phil.
He did it. He done did it.
He done did it to you.
I'm parking next to Phil. I'm thinking, oh, fuck, these niggas just took my shit.
Oh.
Bro. And next to my boy Mikey.
And then he thought he was gonna, but yo, what the fuck? Yo, my boy pulled the yeah. Yo, we out here. Grr. Oh shit, he better not hit your car. What you gonna do if you hit your car?
I'll slap that nigga.
He's just mad sleepy right now.
Yo.
I was coming off the motherfucking arterial and I just seen mad fire ass guys. I was like, yo, they doing it right now. I was like, oh shit, let me hop with him.
Yo, we out here. Here, hold the camera
Woken,
for me.
you know what I'm saying?
Hold it for me, hold it for me.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, we got
Yo, gluten-free Mike, what's good?
Fuck you thinking?
Yo. Let's go, bro.
wow.
Lit.
I found Joe in the car.
Yo,
It's good, bro.
to be honest, that's a little faster than I thought.
First problem of the year.
What's that?
My airbag light is on.
Really?
It's saying check airbag.
Dude, feel right here, bro. It's all sticky because it was just rubbing.
Yo.
Oh.
Yo, it was kicking it everywhere.
I know, dude. That's crazy. No, I'm. Oh. Look at that, bro.
Nigga, I know. You're literally. You can't drive this shit out, bro. Feel the tire, it's sticky because it's been rubbing so hard.
Yo, you didn't
The whole tire, the sidewall is sticky.
I thought it'd be good for now, but
I thought it'd be good.
I'm about to just raise it up.
Stance Nation wasn't your life.
Nah, where's Wilkin?
Hanging up on me.
I got
I was worried about this, okay?
I literally walked in and I saw
We got her 18 STI right here, who doesn't own an STI anymore. We're jumping back to the old SI, and she don't got that anymore. We got Billy.
I need to go back home and raise it.
This weekend? Oh, I bet we'll hold you to that. Next video.
Wait, what's the what?
I need to go home and raise it.
This weekend is what? In my car.
I think I'm already fucked.
No, he called us and he called me. He goes, the lady's not, her house didn't get closed off at the
Fucking annoyed
bank,
right now.
so she's not moving, da-da-da-da-da. I started crying because I was like, I have nowhere else to go, this and that. He had another apartment down the road, literally like 4 houses down the road, 15 Richardson, and it's beautiful, I love it. And it was supposed to be $650, but because he like fucked up, he's leaving it at $6.
That's fair.
Yeah.
That's fair. Is it nice though?
It's beautiful, beautiful bedroom, a beautiful kitchen and living room. The bathroom is gorgeous. And the parking, he drives in, it's pretty flat, and there's a big ass lot in the bathroom.
Don't do
Yo!
I just
Why do you gotta do that?
What? Because we're filming. Where's Nolan?
We know
He
why.
works till 9.
Oh.